What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be replacing a deck on my Meepo V3 electrical board. As you can see, it snapped right where the tracks are, so that's pretty bad. I ended up ordering a new one off Meepo website for $130, and now it's time to remove everything off this deck, swap it out. This process shouldn't take too long, but I want to guide you guys through this and show you what it takes to replace it, and I'll show up close what happened to the deck. And I would appreciate if you guys like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. Alright, let's get to replacing this board. Let's open the new deck. Make sure it's the right one. Looks identical. Wiring coming out from each end. You do have these pads that would go underneath. Holes are pre-drilled. You'll just have to poke them through here. Let's start unbolting everything from this deck. You'll need this tool. This should have came with your board. Let's start doing this. Remove this cover. Slowly work it out. This is your battery. Unplug it. Easy. Battery is out. Let's get all these bolts out. Next thing, your trucks. Remove it. Bam. I'll be reusing this. Now this side. Remove the cover. I'm not sure what this is, honestly. It used to be glued. I guess this comes as one unit. Your truck with the 2 hub motors and this whole module. I'm gonna have to undo this as well. Once you undo the truck, you'll need to disconnect this plug. Bam. And it's zip tied to the wiring inside this module. So you'll have to cut this zip tie, move it to the side. Now you're able to remove this whole thing. Awesome. 4 bolts. Remove this rubber gasket. Well, now you can see what happened to the old deck. It snapped right there. Just a regular plywood, really. It's not a bamboo deck, so it's not as durable. It is water resistant. You can ride it in the wet weather, but definitely very vulnerable. All right, here comes the new deck. Let's compare it. Seems like this wire is sticking out a little too far. This one is about the same. It should have been the other way around, but we can make it work. There are no holes in the grip tape, but they do have holes pre-drilled on the other side. So just take a drill bit and drill the holes. Now you're able to see where to put your screws in. Let's get all the screws in, or bolts. You won't be able to push these bolts in flush. You'll have to tighten it down with the tool. Put this back on here. Let's use new pad. Bam. Easy. Next step is to reinstall everything. This is the easy part. Take this wiring, feed it through here, get all the holes lined up with the bolts. You're ready. Plug and play. Get all the wires nice and neat, and we'll zip tie them back together. This is the only sensitive part. Don't go too tight, enough to keep them nice and clean in there. And I'll zip tie all this together. Just like so. You're ready to put the cover on. If you guys know what this is, leave a comment below so I can know what to do with it. I would appreciate that a lot. Get these nuts back on here. All right. Now get nuts going here. Time to tighten everything. Truck is all tightened, ready to go. Next thing is this module. So you gotta tighten it until these bolts are completely flush with the top of the grip tape. So keep tightening it. Just run your finger across. If they're not sticking out too much, you're good. This side is all done. Let's get this side bolted on. Next, let's install this pad. Bam. Install this rubber piece. Now the battery. Plug it back in. Great. Get all the nuts back on there. All the bolts are flush with the deck. Next thing is the truck. Bam. Guys, just finished replacing the deck. It was super simple, took me about 10 minutes, if not less. Everything is back on here, nice and solid. Great. Now let's go outside and test it out, see how well it rides. All right, guys, time to test it out. Woo! Yeah, board's riding nice, but it's giving me some, I guess it's going 20 miles an hour, which is good. Yeah, this was a successful deck replacement. I see no issues at all. This thing rides smooth. So guys, this replacement was super simple and easy. Your grandma can do it. I really appreciate you watching my videos, and I hope you found this video helpful. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it with your friends. I'm really trying to grow my channel and do more tutorials and reviews, and I really appreciate all the support I can get. May God bless you, and until next time. Woo!